So this video is going to be very different. I have my energy drink in tow, and I want to take you up to my YouTube studio and talk about some changes. So come on, let's go. Just climbing up. So I record videos in my upstairs bonus room. You can see my little studio here with my beanbags that we bought, and we're like, there's nowhere else to put them because they're huge. And here's the set design that you're kind of familiar with. So let me put the camera down and I'll explain what's happening. Ooh. I always record without my glasses because it's a pain in the butt to try and get the light reflections to not show up in the glasses. So anyways, I wear glasses. Okay, so as you can already tell, this video is very different from my other content, and based on the title or thumbnail image or something like that, it's probably gonna say something about burnout because I wanna be 100% real with you. I am burnout. And I'm burnt out for a few different reasons, and it's pretty much all my fault. And I want to tell you a little bit about how I'm going to change things around here, and maybe this will resonate with you if you've ever felt burnout or stuck in your business and you've wanted to make a change. Okay, so my burnout is mainly because I'm actually have been on YouTube since 2015, and in that time period, I have recorded 161 videos. Like, that's a lot of videos, and a majority of it is all like in the computer, step-by-step tutorials about Shopify or apps, and I really like doing that. My background's in web development, and I'm a very analytical person, so I do really enjoy that kind of content. But here lately, I've just felt so inspired by other filmmakers that are on YouTube, like Matt Diavella, or photographers like Peter McKinnon, and I just want to really try some different things. And right now I'm feeling a little bit more stuck in the content for this channel. So I'm feeling stuck because of myself, because not only have I recorded 161 videos that are all kind of the same format, but I also spent the entire months of April and May re-recording my 2 different paid courses for a total of 97 different videos. And I don't even think I have to describe, but 97 videos to record in 2 months is so just exhausting, and I'm super proud of how they turned out. I'm super glad that I got it done, and it's really nice and brand new recorded videos for 2020. If you're into that, like, I'll put a link information below if you want to check those out because I feel like they look great. However, I way burned myself out, and I could have made it so much easier on myself by spacing that out instead of just trying to just hit it with brute force and get it done. And I think it's good though, because by doing that, it's let me step back and say, okay, what do I want my content on YouTube to look like moving forward? And I've got kind of like an outline that I've written here of what I wanted to say in this video. But overall, it's just, I feel like I have so much more to give you as an entrepreneur. So I just celebrated my 10-year business anniversary. So I have been in business for myself for 10 years now, and I've hit so many milestones that I set for myself, like buying a house, going on multiple vacations, just doing all these things that I wanted to do and buy all these things that, you know, I felt like would be successful. Now, let me just say, I'm not like some of the other YouTubers that have Lambos that are posting on that. I have a Nissan Rogue, and she's beautiful, and I love her, and she fits all my 3 dogs, so, you know, no Lambo here. But I just want to better serve you and really share a lot more of my entrepreneurship experience in the last 10 years and what I'm doing for the future 10 years. I'm so thankful for where I am in my business and all the opportunities it's provided me, but I'm not going to be able to continue to grow if I stay like how I am, both in the style of content that I'm doing on YouTube and just my business structure. It's just not going to work, and I can't be the one just constantly kind of pushing up with brute force to get things done. So overall, the content on this channel is changing. I'm going to be posting more videos about entrepreneurship and my journey and online marketing and e-commerce. I love e-commerce, and I really do love the Shopify platform. And I think that's why I made so many tutorials about Shopify, because I truly feel that it's the best e-commerce platform out there, and they're constantly making changes. So don't think that I'm not going to talk about Shopify anymore. I just want to talk about e-commerce in a different way. I want to talk about more of the struggles behind the scenes of running an e-commerce store or multiple e-commerce stores, which I have experience with, as well as how to scale your business to 6 figures and beyond, because it's a different process and it's a different mindset. And you're never going to watch one video tutorial and get it done and be like, poof, okay, I'm going to change things up. It takes a lot to get you to a different place in your business, and I want to help you get there, and I want to be along for the ride. So, new content. I'm also only going to be posting 1 video a week instead of posting 2. And this way it just gives me more time to really spend time on my content, working on my video making skills, and just trying out different things, seeing what works and what doesn't. I just want to have that creative outlet to explore with you and help you grow your business. Also, this set design, I like how it turned out, but it's totally going to be changing. I feel like it's a little bit more like teachery kind of vibe, and I think that was good for whenever I did tutorials. I mean, it was helpful because I had my laptop right here, but I really just want it to be more of a conversation, and I want to build a community. I want to be friends, build a community together, and it not seem like I'm just teacher up here talking, because I don't want to be a teacher. I don't have all the answers. I am a web developer by trade and an entrepreneur for life, and I want to help you. If that resonates with you, I would love to have you along for the journey. So if you're not already, make sure you subscribe. But if you're like, nah, like I'm here for the app tutorials, well, guess what? I've got 161 app tutorials and Shopify tutorials that you can check out. So no worries, friend. You are set for at least a couple months solid. So definitely go and watch any of those tutorials that are out there. And who knows, maybe I'll still post about other tutorials about Shopify. I'm not really sure yet, but I know that for me, what feels right is to kind of just flip the script and change things and be just more personable, as well as just go a lot more behind the scenes. Entrepreneurship is the hardest thing I've ever done, but also the most rewarding thing I think I could have done as well. So I want to help you along that process, and I want to be part of your journey. So if you still want to subscribe to this channel and be part of my journey as I'm going through this creative process, I would love to have you. So make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.